Multi-purpose long-range missile system Spike-NLOS, non-line of sight, is designed to destroy modern armored vehicles, including those equipped with dynamic protection, fortifications, and engineering structures, enemy manpower, low-speed surface targets outside the line of sight, at any time of day, in difficult weather conditions at ranges up to 25 kilometers. Spike-NLOS is used to arm attack helicopters, surface ships and accommodation on self-propelled and towed chassis of various types. The development of Spike-NLOS rocket started in the late 70s. In 1981 it was adopted by the Israel Defense Forces. The complex is a part of the Israeli Rafael APC family, which, in addition to Spike-NLOS, includes light portable Spike-SR with a range up to 1,500 meters, Spike-Mister with a range up to 2,500 meters, Spike-LR with a range up to 4,000 meters, Spike-R with a range up to 8 kilometers. Spike-NLOS was first used by the Israel Defense Forces in combat conditions in 2006 during the Second Lebanon War to fight Hezbollah formations. About 600 missiles were used, and no data on combat effectiveness was published. Several dozen missiles were used during Operation Castlet in the Gaza Strip. Spike-NLOS was first presented at an arms exhibition in Singapore in late 2009. The Spike-NLOS rocket is designed according to the normal aerodynamic scheme and has a large elongation cylindrical body with a hemispherical head cowl. The middle part of the hull has X-shaped wings, and the tail part has one-piece steering wheels of the same configuration. To reduce the size of the missile in the transport position, the wings and rudders are folded. The fenders are folded along the hull by turning forward around the hinge at the front edge and open after leaving the tick. The combat unit of Spike-NLOS missiles of the early Mk2 and Mk4 modifications is a tandem cumulative warhead. Depending on the combat mission, the Mk5 missile can use a tandem cumulative warhead or a fragmentation phase warhead. The missile can be equipped with a PBF, penetration, blast, and fragmentation, high explosive warhead to engage fortifications and buildings. The control system of Mk2 modification missiles, combined, includes a television homing head, an inertial system and a semi-automatic command guidance system. The Mk4 missile control system includes an uncooled dual-channel thermal television homing head, inertial system, satellite positioning system and two-way radio data transmission equipment providing automatic command guidance mode. In the latter case, a video system is used that transmits the image to the operator's console. This makes it possible to implement a wide range of combat applications, including shot and forget, target acquisition and redirection after launch, command guidance and implementation of complex flight trajectories, shooting at an invisible target from a closed position, real-time intelligence acquisition, target identification and engagement in the most vulnerable parts. It has been reported that the Mk5 modification rocket can also be equipped with a laser semi-active homing head. The Spike-NLOS missile system can use third-party target designation to attack targets beyond line of sight. Intelligence units, unmanned aerial vehicles, etc. can transmit target location information to the operator's console using operational control, command, data collection, surveillance and intelligence (C4I) systems, allowing digital information to be shared. The disadvantages of the Spike-NLOS complex include low missile flight speed, about 190 meters sec, insufficient reliability of target acquisition in the conditions of fog, poor visibility and aerosol interference used by the enemy. Spike-NLOS can be placed on self-propelled chassis of various types, including lightweight. In the original version of the missile system, which includes a 4-container guided in the horizontal plane launcher, electronic optical fire detection and control system Rafael toplight, remote control and radio command line equipment, was located on the basis of military vehicles HMMWV American production. Missiles Spike-NLOS, TAMAS, is equipped with a self-propelled launcher para. The launcher is mounted on the chassis of the M48A5 tank and is equipped with 12 container launchers, which are installed at the rear of the turret. When firing, the launcher lifts upwards. The design feature of the para launcher is that it is camouflaged under Israel's Merkava main battle tank. For this purpose, the combat vehicle is fitted with special light camouflage elements, including a tank gun simulator. At the International Defense Industry Fair MSPO 2017 in Poland, the new Rosomak 6x6 anti-tank complex was presented. The vehicle is equipped with a new remote-controlled turret armed with 4 Spike-NLOS launchers. Spike-NLOS can be placed on virtually any helicopter, including light helicopters. One of the first options adopted by the Israel Defense Forces was the Belan-1 Cobra platform. The complex is part of the armament of deck-based helicopters AW-159 Wildcat of the South Korean Navy. Rockets are placed on the helicopter in 2 paired launchers, which are attached to standard suspension units on the fuselage. Electrono-optical all-day top light system, Standard Information Exchange MIL STD-1553, includes an infrared camera, a television camera based on CCD charge-coupled device and a laser rangefinder. A variant of the launcher has been developed on which, in addition to Spike-NLOS missiles, Spiker PTUR can be used. Various versions of ship complexes with Spike-NLOS missiles are used to equip surface ships, including small displacement. At the Euronaval 2016 International Exhibition in Le Bourget, Raphael presented one of the variants of the Typhoon MLS lightweight turret unit designed for positioning, pointing and remote automated launch of Spike-NLOS missile and 2 Spiker missiles.